All right, primetime new series here. This is the Ultimate Platinum jerseys. We're doing these by region, so this is the video to randomize the regions. We're gonna check the time. It's January 27th at 10:05 p.m. We're gonna go over to the break and type live. And we have January 27th at 10:05 p.m. Here are our 30 regions. We're going to randomize the region list and then match it to our entry list. That will determine who gets what region for the break on Tuesday for the Ultimate jerseys. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There we go. So we're going to match this to our entry list. I'll get the list posted. You guys can trade regions if you like. You cannot trade teams. You may only trade regions. So there we go. So we'll see you Tuesday for the break. This one should be fun.